Hi friends, welcome to the Cloud Rabbit channel. Today's class or today's session, I will explain that how to install the Tomcat. Tomcat is the application server which is to deploy the var. Suppose if you created a var by using the maven and the var file is deployed through the Tomcat. Any var file, var means web application archive, which is deployed through the Tomcat. And I will show you today how to install the Tomcat 10 on top of the Ubuntu Linux. Okay, I just logged into the AWS console first. You can choose any region here. I'm going to launch an instance. Here I'm going to launch an instance. Click on the launch instance here. Give the name Tomcat server. Scroll down. Select Ubuntu. Then create a key pair. Go to the network settings. Default Tomcat runs on the port number 8080. So we need to add the port number 8080 under the add security group roles. Click on the add security group role. Select here custom TCP and port number is there 8080. 8080. Now click on the launch instance. Select anywhere here. Click on the launch instance. Go to the instance. Refresh. Now to connect the instance, click on the instance, click on connect, click on SSH client, copy the command, just my key pair is there in the desktop. If your key pair is there in the, you need to find out the which folder the key pair is downloaded. In general, key pair is downloaded in the download folder. So, but my key pair is in the desktop. So here to connect to the machine, I open the git bash open here. I just open the git bash here. Paste the command to connect the instance. I connected instance. Now type as. Then first we need to log into the root by typing the command sudo su. Okay. Then we need to update the repository. Update the local repository by typing the command apt update. For installation of the Tomcat, it is mandatory to open install the Java. Without Java, Tomcat installation cannot done. First we need to install the Java. Then only we can install the Tomcat. For installation of the Java here, type command apt install openjdk hyphen, I am installing the JDK 17 hyphen JDK, enter, then type as. So now I am installing the OpenJDK. All commands are given in the description. Wait for some time. Now Tomcat. Before the Tomcat, we are installing the Java. Let me check here whether the Java is installed or not. Then type Java -version. Now Java is installed and version is here. This is the version. This is version 17. Then we are going to install the Tomcat. To install the Tomcat here, type command apt install tomcat 10 -y, then enter. Now we are installing the Tomcat 10. Then again we need to add the Tomcat 10 admin panel. To access the Tomcat, we need to add the user and we need to set the password for the user. For that one, go to the folder /etc/cd/etc/tomcat10. We need to add the user. Then type ls. Here one file is there that is called as a tomcat-users.xml. One file is there that is called tomcat-users.xml. We need to open the file. This is the file. Enter. Press escape. Then press insert. Just scroll down. At last lines. And here we need to add the user script. This user script contains the role, username and password. Here just copy, here I just paste here. See this? So I added a username Tomcat, password Tomcat. Just press escape and type :WQ. Then go to the command service tomcat 10 distort. Okay, I successfully installed the Tomcat 10. To check that whether the Tomcat is working or not, just minimize here. Go to the console. copy the public IP address, paste in browser, and I told you that Tomcat works on the port number 8080. Enter. Now Tomcat is working perfectly. So see this, I just installed the Tomcat 10 and so now Tomcat 10 is working perfectly. Okay, so this is an example how we're going to install the Tomcat 10. Hope you enjoyed the video and try to do practice by watching the video 1 or 2 times, and all comments are given in the description. Please support me and subscribe me.